Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is going to be a long one. It is a deep clean, a declutter, and reorganization of my kitchen. And let me just tell you, I put my heart and soul into this declutter and deep clean. It's almost an hour long, but if you're looking for motivation, it is worth the watch. This is the perfect video to put on and let play while you're trying to get your own things done. And just clean right alongside me. I hope that you enjoy this video. I hope that it gives you all of the motivation that you need. And let's just go right on ahead and jump in. Alright, so as you can see, we've started with the fridge. We've already done the outside. We're working on the inside now. This whole job took me about 3 days. It was a lot of work. And like I said, I put my heart and soul into this deep clean. And it feels so much better now to have my kitchen back in order, to have everything cleaned and wiped down and all of that. But yeah, my fridge definitely needed a wipe down. I'm really frustrated. You see where the honeydew melon is, like right above the drawers? There's like some gunk underneath that glass part, and I cannot figure out how to lift the glass part up to clean it. So if you know how to do that, if you have the same fridge as me, please tell me in the comments how to lift that up. I've tried several different ways of getting under there, and I just cannot, and it drives me crazy because when you look in the refrigerator, you can see it. And it's nasty. It looks like some liquid leaked under there, and there's no way for me to get it out. So I'm really frustrated about that. So if you have any tips, let me know.
Bathing in the light that you share, you're like the sun. Who am I to think how it be if you were mine? I've been walking with my shades on for so long, I can't seem to get them back on. 'Cause ooh, how I fell in love, couldn't see it coming, blasting my stereo. I can feel it coming, you on my radio. All I'm hearing is a song. Drowning in your words from the stories that you carry. I would never judge, don't you ever say.
Okay, now we're going to move on to the top cabinets. We're going to start at the top and work our way down. So we're going to go all the way around the kitchen and do all of the top cabinets. We're going to wipe everything down, declutter everything that I'm not using, and reorganize it to make it more efficient. And I'm really proud of how it turned out. It feels a lot more efficient than it did before.
Thank you. compare thee when no one ever could come close. Look around, but I can't see. That is usually just how it goes. Brought a new horizon, opened up our doors to something more. Spun me round and you shook me, got me tainted to the core. So tell me what to do when nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true that nothing, nothing, I said nothing comes close to you.
So something really excited has happened. Being a YouTuber, I get really excited when I get a new piece of equipment to help better my video quality. And if you've been following me for a while, maybe you've already noticed I got a microphone for my computer, and I'm really excited because it sounds so much clearer. And then I have the washing machine and the dryer going, and normally you would be able to hear that, and you can't hear it because of this microphone. So yes, very, very excited. I didn't even spend $30 on it, and I feel like the quality is so good. So yes, moving on up. Woo!
When nothing, no one ever comes close to you, close to you. For the longest time I've been trying to find someone like you, but I keep crashing back into all the things that you would do. For the longest time I've been out of my mind, trying to lose every single trace of you. But I know it's true We're soaring up high, got no clue. How do I know what I mean to you? Yeah. Say it out loud, spill the truth. Tell me how I'm gonna get close to you. Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me you're lost, feel so blue, leaving me on the spot so confused. Oh baby, tasting so sweet, acting so rude. Won't you tell me what I'm supposed to do? Yeah. High and low, in between, acting out, make a scene. Working on our body language, working on our body language. Baby, now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Dance on the beat. I don't want no excuses. You keep me feeling so clueless. I'd like to dream. Keep on dreaming about us, babe. Hey. Now tell me exactly how you feel. I'm just trying to keep it real. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside. Tell me exactly what you mean. You mean everything to me. Let me love you on the inside, love you on the inside.
So full of self-confidence, and everything you said made a lot of sense. I thought I was too cold to ever love again, but every single word cut through the rain. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess.
All right, now we're going to get a hold of this window and the light fixtures in the kitchen. The curtains above this window were pretty dirty. It had been a while since I washed them. I had some like red velvet cake batter on them, so it looked like there was blood on it, which is nasty. So I was really excited to go ahead and take these down, get them washed, and then I'll wipe down the window and we tackle the light fixtures.
Smile and now you can't let go. Oh, oh. We see the distance grow, I just need to know, do you even feel the same? I'm living in your messages, I'm closer to you there I guess. Living in your messages, every day now I confess.
trying to get away from this life I'm living. Same old things every day, wanna change this feeling. Wasting no more time, don't care about what you're saying. Try to keep me down, no time for all your playing. Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things.
Window and light fixtures complete. Now we're going to work on clearing off some of this counter space. The counter space had definitely taken a toll because I had been focusing on the cabinets. So, counters become catch-alls super easily. I did want to go ahead and let you guys know there are a couple of things that I did not get filmed in this cleanup, and I'm kind of sad about it, but by the time I had finished filming this entire video on the last day, it was 9:30 o'clock at night, and I had been working on it all day, and I was exhausted, and I just wasn't thinking clearly. When I finished cleaning the stove, which you'll see is the last thing that I cleaned in this video, I died. I was done, and I just didn't think about it. But I did not film me cleaning the floors, and I did not film the final clean kitchen view, which is so devastating now that I'm looking back at it, because the transformation was epic, and I am so sorry for that. I mean, you can see the transformation as I'm cleaning, you can see things get better. But it would have been so nice if I had gotten that final clip of my entirely newly cleaned kitchen. So I just wanted to go ahead and let you guys know, if that's what you're waiting for, it's not there. And I'm so sorry for that.
Must have felt this coming. Can we just leave it right here, never to touch it again? Yeah, even if you doubt me now, you should know I don't care about the things you say. I don't even know what I want no more, yeah. I'ma figure out what to do with all my time, my new life, yeah. I don't even know what to do right now.
Sunny day, right there you took my breath away. Young and pretty, was it just a dream? The next day you called me up.
So if you're new to my channel and you don't know, I do a lot of baking from home. It's a little side hustle. I do a couple of orders a month. I try not to let it overwhelm me, but I do bake a little bit on the side. So I use my mixer like crazy, and it definitely needed a deep clean. So what I'm doing here is I'm getting a toothpick and a razor and getting the big things off with the razor that were stuck on. And then I'm getting the toothpick and going in all of the little cracks and grooves and crevices to get all of that sticky gunk that you can't just wipe off. And I felt so much better after I had done this. And then I'm also going to do the stand that it's sitting on, and you'll see that here in just a second. But I should have gotten a better angle, and I apologize for that. I wasn't thinking, again, I was tired. But I should have gotten a better angle so you could have seen all of the gunk. And in hindsight, that's when you see all of your mistakes in hindsight. But it did make a huge difference, even though you probably can't see it. Okay, moving on to the sinks. I did want to quickly say that before I finished wiping down the walls and that side of the counter that I was working on, my camera died. So I did go ahead and finish it, but I didn't get it on film because, like I said, my battery had died. So I apologize for that, but it did get cleaned. And now we're working on the sink. And the first thing that I'm going to do is just use a regular dish detergent. I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's dish detergent, and I'm going to give it a good little cleanse. And don't forget to wipe or clean the area where the water comes out of your spout. Then I'm going to put some orange essential oil into my drains so that it gives it a nice little smell. Then I'm going to go back in. I'm going to put some baking soda in my drains, and then I'm also going to put some vinegar, let that sit for a second, and then I'm going to wipe it down really good. Now I have the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda gel, and I'm using that to do a little extra scrub on the drain because it wasn't as clean as I wanted it to be. So I decided to get down and dirty with it and get an old toothbrush and just give it a really, really good scrub with this baking soda mixture.
I remember the day when we started talking. We were kids and I knocked down all of your marbles, but you did not seem to mind at all. We took our bikes to the lake after school each day and skipped many stones from the beach. And one thing you said was, listen, I will have your back away. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong. You are my own safety zone. You're solid like a granite stone. It came very sudden the day when we moved away from what had been our home since forever. I was scared then, so scared that I would lose you. But you called me up right after I touched the ground. You wanted to hear that I got there all safe and sound, and you said, I know we're gonna stay the same. And now we're grown up, I don't really see you enough. There's too much to be done. Yeah, it's no fun. But even if we're far apart, I know where we belong. Haven't changed a bit in my heart. Your words have never been wrong.
Okay, now we're going to get into the most satisfying bit of this, cleaning out my drawers. If you're looking for satisfaction, this is the part of the video that you're really going to like. I go through several crazy looking drawers in the next little bit, and the transformations of these is awesome. And don't worry, I do give before and afters after I clean out each drawer, and again, super, super satisfying.
Solid like a granite slab. Solid like a
enough time to sort out all the fights, to sort out all the lies.
So I just want to take a quick second and introduce myself in case you're new to my channel. My name is Charity. If you haven't figured that out already, I am a stay-at-home mom of 2 children. I believe I introduced them earlier. I have a 4-year-old daughter named Riley and an almost 2-year-old son named Weston. On my channel, it's just a lot of mom life content. Obviously, I do a lot of cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing, but I also do a lot of cooking. I do a lot of grocery hauls, other types of shopping hauls. I do vlogs here and there. I do a few baking videos here and there, and sometimes I just add a fun little random video. I'm also hoping to do my children's birth stories here pretty soon, and I'm trying to figure out how to upload our wedding video from when we got married in 2015, but it's on a disc, and I don't have a place to put a disc in my computer to upload it, so I'm trying to figure out how I can do that because I think you guys would really enjoy it. But those are some things hopefully coming up soon on my channel. And if that sounds like the type of content that you like to watch, please consider sticking around. I would absolutely love to add you to my YouTube family. I've loved so much getting to know everyone here on YouTube. I have made some really good friends through this outlet, and I started this a little bit before COVID started, but because of COVID, this has become very close to me. I take this very seriously. I'm not monetized yet, but I treat it like a job. And I'm just so thankful that I found this outlet of making YouTube videos and posting them for you guys and sharing motivation and encouragement. And yeah, I hope that you'll consider joining.
So high on a low, that's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. Yeah. I guess our dreams fell asleep. There's no passion in the comatose. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. Tried so hard to stay afloat. We keep moving like the river goes. Baby going down, down, down. Baby going down, 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 down. And I thought, it's time I'm letting you go. This time I know it for sure. Just thought I should let you know. Don't know, no us no more, no. I got so high on a low. That's when I loved you the most. Now I thought I should let you know. Don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. We don't know, no us no more. No, no. Yeah.
You walking head high and you keep on saying it doesn't matter anyway. But when it's turning dark and it's getting late, you tell me that you wanna stay. So you call me when you're getting lonely. Yeah, you call me when you're getting lonely. And I'll be there, 'cause you're not the only one. No, I feel the same as you do. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely place. It's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place. It's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place, yeah. Time's up, I need to get something straight. Are we getting closer than this? But you don't need to answer right away. Baby, you know I can't wait. So you call me when you're getting lonely. Yeah, you call me when you're getting lonely. And I'll be there, 'cause you're not the only one. No, I feel the same as you do. It's a It's a lonely place, it's a lonely place, yeah. Yeah. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely, lonely place when you're not with me. It's a lonely place, it's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place, it's a lonely place, yeah. It's a lonely place, yeah. I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare.
So, towards the end of the month, I'm going to be doing a giveaway with 7 other really sweet, amazing ladies here on YouTube. And it's going to be a cash giveaway. I'm not going to give a whole bunch of information away just yet, but be on the lookout towards the end of the month. There's going to be a really great giveaway here on my channel and 7 other ladies' channels that you probably already know. If you know my channel, you probably know theirs. But I'm really excited about it, and I hope you are too.
You know that I'ma keep it cool. With you I feel like breaking rules. On the edge, looking out with no parachute. You know I'm dreaming about us too. Playing around without a clue. On the edge, leaning out. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need more of you. You say it during night, but in the morning you just leave. With us it's all or nothing. Ooh, but guess I need more of you. With us it's all or nothing. But guess I need it's all or nothing.
Okay, so as I said before, I do a lot of baking from home as a side gig, so I have a ton of food coloring and I use every bit of it. But I just had to say that reorganizing this drawer was absolutely my favorite and the single most satisfying part of this whole video. So let me know what you think.
I once felt I'm done with the defense. Drove back and climbed over your fence. Had to show you that I was a mess. So you were shrugging your shoulders and closed off. That's what I told you. Soon enough, everything started to change. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. Riding on the dizzying heights. Like nothing could stop us. Sunsets, remember the colors. They were wrong, it was way more than a dream. We climbed up, yeah, over the hillside. So right, we stood there all wide-eyed. You and I floated on air in my mind. 'Cause there's no going back, no going back. There's no going back to your old life. Not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it.
She's beautiful. Guys, look at this transformation. Look. What? Seriously, I've been opening my drawer just to look at this. I'm so excited about it.
To your old life, not living in the past, we're over that. I'm feeling it tonight, riding on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. I'm standing on the dizzying heights. Everything's so much better. Riding high on your river, you and I, we're
Okay, we have officially finished all of the cabinets, so now I'm going to finish up the appliances. We've already done the fridge, so I'm just going to wipe the outside of the dishwasher really well, and then I'm going to do the microwave and the stove.
You are in Elysium. Do you dare to fall? To fall. Dare to Elysium, descend upon her palace of paradise. Elysium, the fields await you. Enter the afterlife. Elysium, descend upon her palace of paradise.
Okay, so here we are. I'm going to do this stovetop, and as you can see, I had a bunch of burnt on gunk on top of that thing, so it's going to take like 2 passes over it to get it done. I did just want to quickly tell you what I'm using to clean my stove and the oven. So for the top of the stove, first I used this Cerama, something that came with it, but I was just about out, so I ended up switching to the Mrs. Meyer's baking soda scrub, and I rubbed that all over the top and just let it sit for a while. And then on the inside of my stove, I mix Mrs. Meyer's vinegar gel and Mrs. Meyer's baking soda gel, spread it all over the surface area of the inside of the oven and the door. And then I used a razor to get the stuff that was really hard to get off. And then I used, what are those things called? The little Brillo pads. I used a couple of Brillo pads to also help loosen some of that gunk up. So that's everything that I used to clean the top of my stove and the oven. I absolutely hate cleaning my oven just because it's such an awkward place to get to, and I know that there's a way to take the door off to make it a little bit easier access, and you'll see in a little bit here that I tried to figure that out and failed. So I don't know how to do that, but I did manage to get it as clean as I possibly could. So as you can see, it was really gross. You saw the little caption a couple of slides back where I said I forgot that I was filming. I did. I forgot that I was supposed to be filming this, and I didn't show me putting the scrub on, and then I had made a couple of passes over it before this. But everything that I had tried before the baking soda and vinegar gel mix didn't work, but the vinegar and baking soda gel worked really well with this Brillo pad. So yeah, sorry that I skipped the very first step. So as we move in to the inside of the oven, you can actually see I had a cake overflow in there, and it was really gross. But I just wanted to go ahead and thank you guys so much for watching. I still have a few minutes left of the video, but I didn't want to run out of time to record this final part for you guys. I just wanted to thank you so much for watching. I really do appreciate you guys. I feel like I'm not very good at expressing how much you guys mean to me and how truly grateful I am that you watch my channel and show me the support that you do. But truly, thank you. Thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I did want to ask you that if you like this video to give it a thumbs up. Comment below and introduce yourself if you're new. I respond to every single comment. I love getting to know you guys, and if you're new, I would love to personally welcome you to the fam. Subscribe if you haven't already. It's free. It helps my channel out a lot. And if you want to keep up with me on a daily basis, Instagram is the place to do that. My handle is Momming with Charity, and I post in my stories most every day, and that is just keeping up with us on a daily basis, what we do on a day-to-day lives. But then I also have a TikTok, so if you're looking for some extra cleaning motivation, that is where you would find that. The handle for TikTok is also Momming with Charity. I hope that this video brought you some much needed motivation. I'm sorry that it was so long, but again, I worked so hard on it. There was no way that I wasn't going to post this video. But again, I hope you enjoyed it. I hope that everybody has a fantastic weekend. I love you guys. Bye.